Hello, this is Northeast Georgia Mountain Folk, and today we're continuing our series with barbecue and grilling. And for today, we are going to do a maple glazed salmon on cedar plank. So we're doing the indirect method, and we got the charcoal filled into the grill area, and we're going to get that lit up. Now, for doing salmon, we got to get the temperature inside of the grill up to 400 degrees. And the targeted temperature that we want to get to for the salmon is between 140 and 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And as usual, we want to let that go for about 5 minutes. Then we will close it up the grill, get it up to around the temperature that we would need. Then we'll put the deflector plates in and the grill grates in, as well as the drip pan. You should always use a drip pan no matter how you're cooking. And then get it to 400 degrees stable. Then we'll bring the salmon down and the cedar plank. Now, cedar plank you would want to have at least 20 minutes soaking in water ahead of time. So when you put it on there, then you'll just get like snapping noises from the water in it, so you know it's on there right. And then you can put the salmon on there, and then brush on the maple glaze that we're using, which is maple syrup and soy sauce. I'll have the full details in the description at the end. So let's get the fire going a bit, and then we will close it up and get it up to 400 degrees. Stay tuned. Now that it's been going for about 5 minutes on the flame, I'm going to put the heat deflector plates in, and then close up the grill cover. Keep the opening on the top and the bottom for the ventilation, and then wait for it to get up to 400 degrees. Stabilize it by closing the bottom vent, and then let it go for approximately 30 minutes for it to burn off all the excess smoke, which is the blue smoke that you don't want for cooking. You want only want the white clear smoke, and then we'll go from there. As you can see, we got the temp approximately close to 400 degrees now, and we will keep it at that temperature while it will stabilize and get to the 400, and then we'll lower the vent a little bit more, and then we will bring the cedar plank down as well as the salmon. Okay, now we're going to put the cedar plank on so it can stabilize in the grill. And then let it sit there a few minutes, and when I return, we'll be bringing down the salmon to put on there, and then put the maple glaze over it. Get this centered here better, and then hook up the thermometer so we can keep track of it and get up to 145 degrees internal temperature. stay tuned. All right, we have our salmon here now, and we have our glaze. And we have the thermometer ready to put in. So I'm going to put some gloves on. Open it up. Get this salmon onto this cedar plank. Yes, it may overlap. That's okay. The grill is clean for it. And then my gloves off. Don't need that. I'm going to put my probe into the salmon. So we can keep track of the temperature. And I'm going to apply this barbecue maple glaze on top. You don't want to soak it into the salmon because soaking it makes it too mushy. So that's why it's just brushed on. I will have in the description below what is in this glaze, so you know what to use. To get to that point. Being at 37 degrees. Slowly climbing. We'll check back a little bit. See where we're at before we have to pull this off the grill. Stay tuned, everyone. It's gonna be good. As you can see, we reached a temperature of 145 as we needed. And there we have it. Beautiful maple glazed smoked salmon. Ready to take it off and enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and watch for more barbecue and grilling on the Primo Junior grill. Good night.